We, the leadership of Jubilee Party in Parliament, are very saddened by this show of impunity, and we want to urge all members of Parliament across the political divide to carry amendment in the Senate, and we urge the Speaker of both houses of Parliament to suspend this afternoon deliberation and consideration of approval of what amendment that was done by the Senate regarding the nominee of Parliament of Service, Parliamentary Service Commission, until the matter has been resolved by the minority party. Persons who are going to be representative of Parliamentary Service Commission. Our concern, therefore, is that now that the Senate approved yesterday Senator Mugeni to be in the Parliamentary Service Commission, and already we had Honorable Ishiboko also for the ODM party, that means then the Jubilee Party has no slot at all. And so this pressure is just also to urge our colleagues to hold any further discussion on the position of Parliamentary Service Commissioners until we agree on a way forward. We want Jubilee to have a slot, and also the Wiper Party and ODM, but we would not want the position of Jubilee Party to be taken by any other political party. So if the political parties, there is some disagreement within our partners and our brothers, would urge them to sort out and actually come up with one name.